In today's video, I'll be making this amazing hair growth tea. If this is what you're interested in, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. And yeah, guys, let's get started. I'll be showing you guys all the ingredients I'll be using to make this tea. So please watch the video to the end. Hey besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So love, today's video will be making an amazing hair growth spray. Okay, so this is another way for you to grow out your hair, and the first ingredient we are using is ginger. Okay, and the next ingredient we'll be using is fenugreek seed. This is an amazing hair growth spice, okay, that will help you to grow out your hair, and it helps to treat lice, thinning of hair, and the rest. So I'll be using rosemary. This is a rosemary tea, but I decided to add other ingredients to incorporate the rosemary, not just using only rosemary for this hair growth tea. Okay, I'm also going to be using cloves as well. You guys know I love cloves. I love using cloves in the channel. Cloves have really helped me when it comes in boosting of my hair growth. Like cloves and rosemary are always my favorite go-to hair growth recipe or hair growth spice to use. Okay, so I'm also going to be using mint tea, mint leaf. Okay, this mint leaf is already dried, so if you have the fresh one, you can use the fresh one as well. So I'm going to be using these 5 teas, like these 5 spices, to make a very potent hair growth tea. If you're interested in, please watch the video to end to see how I'm going to make it, and also to see how I'm going to apply it on my hair. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to pour all my spices inside a pot. Okay, we are going to be boiling this. You can infuse this in your bottle, like in your jar, okay, but you have to infuse it for a longer time because of the ginger. My ginger is dry. In case you have a fresh ginger, you still have to infuse it for a longer time, so like 12 hours it should be okay. Normally we know we used to infuse all these things for like 8 hours, but you just have to infuse it for 12 hours. So right now I'm going to be boiling mine, okay, so because I need to use it immediately. This is the tea I am using in week 3 of this our challenge of carrying a particular braid that I'm carrying right now for 2 months. So this is week 3 tea. In week 2 I did not do anything on my hair, as I said in my previous videos. So this is the tea I'm going to be using for week 3. That is why it's not much, it's a bit small. Okay, so I'm going to cover it and allow this to boil very well. After it has boiled for like 5 minutes and the tea has darkened, I will strain it out. Okay, this is the color you get. All right, so I'll strain everything and set the tea aside, and also set the spice aside. Note, you can still use that spice later, it will still give you the same tea. Okay, so you can dry that and use it later. Yeah, so this is the tea right now. I'm going to transfer this in my spray bottle, and I will spray it on my hair. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you watched it this extent, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video to watch. I really do appreciate. My name is Naturalhair. Here I create natural ingredients to help you to grow out your hair. I hope you find my video helpful. So this is my hair, okay, after I have washed it. All right, I have washed it and I did a treatment on it, a deep in treatment on it, which was okra and flaxseed. Okay, that video is already in the channel, you can do what to check it out. So I'm going to be spraying this all over my hair, then I will put the rest of the creams and oils I used to use on my hair, which will come out in a different video on how I moisturize my hair when it's on braid. I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you find this video educative. Let me know if you're going to be trying this kind of rosemary tea. Okay, this rosemary tea is going to help you to boost your hair growth. So I'll see you all my besties in my next video. Please stay subscribed to the channel for more DIY like this. Make sure you spray this all over your hair, and make sure you also use your butters, your oils, your creams, and your leave-in condition to hydrate your. If you don't know how to do that, a video of me doing it on my hair will be coming up in the channel. Please do well to stay connected to to check out that video as well. So loves, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.